If you're looking for the best online bookkeeping courses, Coursera has several excellent options for beginners. Today, I'll show you the top 3 bookkeeping courses that can help you build practical accounting skills and prepare for a bookkeeping career. Before we begin, if you plan to take more than one course, check the discount link in the description. You can currently save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. At number 3 is Bookkeeping Basics by Intuit. This beginner-friendly course has a 4.6-star rating with over 6,700 reviews. You'll learn bookkeeping fundamentals, financial statements, general ledgers, accounting records, cash flow, and standard accounting practices. It's an excellent starting point if you're completely new to bookkeeping. At number 2 is Introduction to Financial Accounting by the University of Pennsylvania. With a 4.7-star rating and more than 8,500 reviews, this course covers financial statements, balance sheets, income statements, accrual accounting, and financial reporting. It gives you a strong understanding of accounting principles that every bookkeeper should know. My number 1 recommendation is the Intuit Academy Bookkeeping Professional Certificate. This beginner-level professional certificate has a 4.6-star rating with more than 8,400 reviews. You'll learn bookkeeping, reconciliation, payroll, inventory, financial reporting, and financial statement analysis through a complete career-focused program. It's one of the most comprehensive bookkeeping certificates available on Coursera. These courses are designed for beginners and teach practical bookkeeping skills that employers value. Whether you're starting a new career, managing a small business, or improving your accounting knowledge, they're excellent choices. If you plan to complete multiple bookkeeping or accounting courses, Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Buying courses separately can become expensive, while Coursera Plus gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, and unlimited certificates with one subscription. If you're ready to start learning, check the discount link in the description and save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus.